AGM electric jack. The majority of car jack models available in the market exhibit various drawbacks, such as safety concerns with mechanical jacks, limited lifting capacity in pneumatic jacks, and the restricted utility of screw jacks. Fortunately, there exists a superior alternative in the form of AGM's electric jack. This innovative solution streamlines the lifting process, effortlessly raising the vehicle with a simple push of a button, ensuring user safety and eliminating physical exertion. The adjustable lifting height, ranging from 35 to 43 centimeters, enhances flexibility, while the modular locking system extends its operational capabilities. With a robust lifting capacity of approximately 910 kilograms, this electric jack can handle a wide range of passenger and off-road vehicles, making it a valuable investment at a price of $1,289. Demo-Dek. Efficiency through simplicity characterizes this wood-centric deck removal tool, known as Demo-Dek. Tailored for woodwork, it allows users to effortlessly grasp and extract wooden slats in one swift ergonomic motion. Its efficiency's secret lies in its specialized lever-like design, which not only generates substantial breakout force, but also minimizes the physical effort required by the operator. Demo-Dek proves versatile, adaptable to a wide range of decking materials, and even includes a built-in nail removal feature, all available at an attractive price of $120. AUSSIE RIMSHINE. Restoring the sureness of your rims is a more straightforward task than it may initially appear. All you require is the right equipment, such as the OUTBACK 200 by AUSSIE RIMSHINE. The polishing process is remarkably uncomplicated. Simply apply the special soft attachment, often made of felt, to the metal surface. Traditionally, achieving the desired shine would demand a significant investment of time and effort when done manually. Nevertheless, with professional equipment like the OUTBACK 200, the job is efficiently completed in less than a minute. Notably, it is gentle on wheel rims, even at high rotational speeds, ensuring it won't cause any damage or scratching. BackSaver. Simplifying the process of drilling holes in concrete floor slabs, the BackSaver is a valuable addition. When affixed to your rotary hammer, it enhances both comfort and productivity, enabling you to maintain an ergonomic position and reduce the risk of injury while consistently applying pressure to the tool. Moreover, the BackSaver effectively dampens the harmful vibrations produced by the perforator during operation. The manufacturer provides a range of attachments for different models, priced between $540 and $570. AUTOOL. A crucial element of maintaining a vehicle is the necessity to eliminate carbon deposits, as neglecting this task accelerates the wear and tear of the engine's power unit. The equipment displayed on your screen is expertly crafted for efficient internal engine cleaning, and the remarkable part is that engine disassembly is unnecessary for its usage. The HDS 518 by AUTOOL excels at managing challenging scenarios, such as the one shown, where carbon deposits have adhered to the intake pipe valve. With a power rating of 1,400 watts and reliance on an external air source, it's a proficient device for the job. DoorJack. Doors are typically large and heavy, necessitating the involvement of at least 2 workers in the traditional installation process. However, the innovators at the Dutch company, Matador, have devised a solution to reduce the required workforce and enhance productivity. They've introduced the DoorJack, a versatile device that combines the functionality of a jack and hand truck. This tool empowers individuals to transport and reposition doors single-handedly, with a maximum lifting capacity of 330 pounds, accommodating a wide range of door sizes. The DoorJack is available at an approximate price of $300. AUTOBUFF. Car polishing isn't just essential for rims, it's also vital for the vehicle's body. This process restores the car's shine, eliminates dust from tiny cracks, and shields the paint from damage caused by acidic or alkaline substances. AUTOBUFF is a compact, wireless, and user-friendly device that allows you to perform this procedure in your own garage, saving you the cost of professional polishing. With 3 interchangeable attachments, AUTOBUFF serves a variety of purposes, including wax application. The device offers 45 minutes of battery life and is available with prices starting at $89. Introducing an advanced soldering iron that offers enhanced speed and convenience in your work. This versatile tool not only excels in traditional soldering but also handles hot air tasks. The kit is equipped with the necessary tip for these applications, and a unique connector allows you to switch tips without the need to wait for cooling. Its compact design makes it perfect for confined workspaces, while its cordless nature provides added freedom of operation. Butane serves as the fuel source, and the device features a fuel level indicator on its body, with a price point starting at around $160. Working underneath a car on the floor can be challenging and exhausting, and the struggle to keep your tools organized can be stressful. That's why EASTWOOD has introduced its innovative rolling tray. This cleverly designed tray features wheels that allow it to move in any direction and handles on all sides for easy positioning from any angle. The interior is divided into 3 sections, making tool organization a breeze, with one section equipped with a magnetic surface to prevent small metal parts from scattering in case of accidental tipping. There's even a handy circular slot in the middle, perfect for holding a flashlight. This practical tool organizer is priced at just $22. VEVOR Tire Dolly. Presenting a tool that significantly simplifies the tasks of car mechanics, this specialized dolly is designed to swiftly and effortlessly transport heavy wheels for trucks and specialized equipment. The operation is straightforward. The mechanic positions the tire dolly beneath the wheel and then applies pressure to the handle. As the tire dolly lifts the wheel, it effectively carries its entire weight, leaving the user to simply pull the cart and ensure the wheel remains secure. The design is brilliantly straightforward, yet remarkably efficient and reliable, ensuring safety. This invaluable tool is available at a price of $70. These pneumatic jacks distinguish themselves from similar models in the market due to their exceptional compactness, essentially serving as robust cushions. Using them is a simple process. Position the deflated cushion under the vehicle's wheels, and when it's filled with air, it gradually raises the car. The Italian company CATTINI MAMMUT has developed an entire range of lifting bags with impressive lifting capacities ranging from 30 to 100 tons, which means even buses, trucks, and tractors can be effortlessly lifted using this device. The durable handles facilitate easy manipulation, and the anti-slip coating on the surface is an added advantage. Notably, these jacks can be used not only for lifting vehicles but also for moving particularly hefty loads, among other applications. If manual cleaning of paint rollers has become a tiresome chore, you might want to explore this innovative solution. The German company, Falch, has created a compact and portable cleaner that simplifies the process. To use it, all you need to do is place the roller inside, cover it, and push the lever. Powerful jets of water treat the surface evenly, effectively removing the paint, and the device then efficiently wrings out the roller. This procedure typically takes between 5 to 8 seconds, depending on the roller's size. The best part is that no chemicals are required, and the cleaning chamber can accommodate painting tools of almost any size.